I'm Hiromi Akiyama, and I'm a disaster risk management research specialist at the GFDR. And I'd like to introduce Abies here from Rwanda. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Hiromi. I am Abies Mumuhire. I am the coordinator of the Kigali Urban Upgrading Team. That's a team in charge of implementing the Rwanda Urban Development Project, which is the World Bank Fund project here in Rwanda.
Could you talk about some of the main challenges that you see in terms of resilient infrastructure in your project?
There is one which is focusing on informal settlement or unplanned settlement upgrading. In this aspect, what we are doing, the project is providing improved roads network by constructing roads and providing streetlights, and then the stormwater management aspect by constructing stormwater drainages. Rehabilitate or improve what we have called 6 flood risk hotspots. These are the areas which have been selected through different site visit and flooding events, which has been occurring in the city for the last 4 or 5 years. And what we are doing in this project is now we are having a study which is being conducted, and the purpose is to improve the flooding area by providing or by minimizing the floods on the location of the areas themselves, by providing improved hydraulic structures, but also by having kind of integrated both what we call soft and hard interventions. And we are also mitigating these on the spot, but also in the subcatchment of the locations, so that we mitigate even the floods from the source upstream, also downstream on these specific locations.
What are some of the takeaways that you learned from the recent event on resilient infrastructure, where we shared experiences of Japan in improving the resilience? And also, what are some examples that you think you can implement in your projects going forward?
To how they prepare the action plan that can really be responsive to the events. And another case study that I really think would be applicable to Kigali is the Chibuya station, where we can be able to manage both the combined management of stormwater management and then urban mobility. Because looking at the way the Chibuya station was really transformed, this is a case that can be applied to the same case we have here of the central bus terminal called Nyabugogo in Kigali.
Thank you so much for sharing that. I think as the city of Kigali goes through rapid urbanization, and as well as experiencing increasing impacts of climate change, putting in the element of resilience in development, city planning is very important. So thank you so much for your time in talking to us.
Thank you, Hiromi, for giving me the time. It was really an honor. Thank you, and bye, Morabeho.